Are you overwhelmed by endless data and complexity in your enterprise e-commerce? You're not alone. Many sellers struggle with manual tracking of hundreds of SKUs, leading to costly mistakes and inefficiencies. Introducing DataHawk, your all-in-one analytics platform. We simplify profitability tracking and streamline data management for Amazon and Walmart sellers. With DataHawk, you'll enjoy 3 key benefits. Get real-time SKU-level insights to boost your profits. To experience seamless data integration with leading BI tools, saving you time and effort. 3. Benefit from proactive alerts that help you react quickly to market shifts. DataHawk stands out with its fully managed databases, removing the stress of pipeline management. Don't let analytics hold your business back. Book a demo with DataHawk today and transform your enterprise e-commerce success.